I was very kindly invited on a round trip of the Peak District by Matt, who lives in the area. So he and his son took me on a 96-mile guided tour of some of the best the area has to offer. There's plenty of footage on the road, some great views, and Dave inevitably crept back into the conversation. He'll be back.
Okay, started off in Ashbourne. Ashbourne is a nice little town, probably famous for something that Sam does down there, isn't it?
What, Showtime?
Yeah.
The whole town closes for a weekend football. No, the
What's it
whole
called?
town Showtime.
Oh, is this when the whole half the town plays the other half?
That's
of the
it.
town? Oh, I didn't realise that was
Thank you very
Ashbourne.
much Thank you.
I didn't realise that was so close.
Yeah, and it's nuts.
And a little bit violent.
Yeah,
Well, it's not really too
it's
bad.
very violent. Yeah.
Yeah.
We went up to
Matlock.
Matlock Bath, which we talked about a minute ago. Big motorcycle meeting place. So go along there on a nice sunny Sunday, and there'll be 1,000 motorbikes down the road.
All offending the locals.
All offending the locals, all eating chips.
Yeah, all
the
offending
rest
the
of them.
locals and spending lots of money in local shops, so they quite like it. We pass and go on Boxing Day, and believe it or not, they have a raft race down the river on Boxing Day. We then went along through Matlock itself, and then into the Chatsworth Estate, which is just absolutely stunning. And you can park up in Baslow and places like that, and actually just walk straight into the estate, and it gives you access to everything.
Chatsworth went Baslow and then basically headed up towards Snake Pass. And we stopped for a coffee and sausage sandwich at the bottom.
Which, as the lady said, it has been open all throughout COVID, which I
bet she's made more money than she does in most years.
probably, yeah. I mean, it's a bit of an escape, isn't it, for people, which is nice.
Yeah, it was so clear today. It was unbelievable.
Yeah.
To be able to see right across to Manchester.
Snake Pass is always a good ride, and to be able to see that far and have those nice views. So, yeah.
There was a nice little spot where we stopped and you flew the drone.
Yeah, well, it's not very often you get a chance of flying up there.
The views over Manchester were outstanding, which is quite something to say, really, for Manchester.
Then we headed south back through Castleton twice.
Yeah, it was a nice little scenic round trip. I thought you were just taking me to see the smelting plant or quarry or whatever it was. I thought this must be a local landmark.
Yeah.
So where are we now? Longnaw.
Longnaw,
Yep.
yeah.
I have to remember this. Nice little coffee stop with a public toilet.
Longnaw, and the next one over, which is
Monash is a
Monash.
fantastic pub in Monash.
If you want to go for pub food, there's a pub in Monash called the Bull.
Yep. There's a side of ribs in there that's more like a side of cow. It's huge.
Yeah. The trip back was lovely. We came back through Tideswell, so off the Snake Pass down into Glossop, from Glossop across Hayfield, through Castleton, which we did twice, and Hope.
I'll make sure I stick the GPX Garmin file on the video link on this, just so anybody who sees the footage can see where we went and have a go.
Yeah.
Because it's a really good round route you've done. Was it 96 miles? It says a round route.
Yeah.
So it's a really gentle day out, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
You can sort of pick it up at anywhere around the circle.
And then Castleton, we came back through Tideswell.
So Castleton's the one at the bottom of the Winners Pass.
Yes.
Yeah. That's a great touristy place. That Castleton itself is nice.
Yeah.
But you've got the cabins.
The Winners Pass is really short. It's stunning, isn't it?
It's more about the views than the ride. You can't get your feet up down there, but it's just.
I know.
So we're basically heading our separate ways now, aren't we?
Think so.
Yeah. So.
That's been a cracking day, gents. Much appreciated.
Well, no, it's been nice to meet you. I mean, I only messaged you because I just wondered what had happened to you guys during the COVID.
Or more precisely, Dave, because he disappeared off the radar with no bike.
Yeah.
I'm working on it. Latest update is he's starting to get the bug again. He's started talking into spending the money now.
Or his wife, for that matter.
I just leave it. So it looks like I'm just constantly picking on Dave.
It does, yeah. It does come over. You're a bit of an evil bastard, actually.
In fairness, I am at heart. I also have the power of the editing suite. It's quite nice. So anything nasty he says, that's not going in.
Will you get back to doing stuff like the Tour Tech weekends and that sort of thing?
I hope so. Yeah, Dave just pulled his finger out, to be honest. A couple of hours now back, but I should try and make it fun. No, it's
Yeah,
been
sorry about that.
much appreciated, and hopefully catch up again soon.
Yeah, we're good.
I don't know what that is.
It's camera.
Is it recording now?
Yes, it is. Yeah, so you.
I'm on.
Right, yeah, you. Yeah,
famous now.
it'll be used in evidence in court.
Well, are you uploading it?
No, I'm just.